ole ka channel mi lo thlir sak tu zong zong te in zawai in chi bai vek ule vo in hi January ni somni paru kum sak ni le somni pangania ti hianin in khom bana kan uaka January ni ma se hei kho aluma hantila tuna hianin plus 2 velani chuanin January ni ma se ti han vura om manglawa tuna kan kalna la hi tuifin riat bulani wangin cleat le na sa thin boka chuwan chuan hei vur kar ma sa vela chuan vura khat ve kang mo ta hian ti khanin hunin thak dana zirin kholum le khowo dana zirin ti hanin vur hi ral ta zung zung ani chuan kumin hi ni kum ang lo devin ti hanin vura tlema ma se tuna hian February la ni rawa April thangin achang chuanin vur hi tlabur bur thin ani chuanin tuna hianin reideu khathum deuh thaw hei chol kala a YouTube atangin ka shireng thona nga ka ti lo laklo a ti lo laklo chuanin hun adu rei ema wang hianin ti le mai hi ol thin lawa baka Christmas ma deuh khan November thla top lama khan chol lak kha katum deuh ta shim shima achan chu Christmas bazar neu le ti tur atam na kalaya YouTube lam lo boy pui kha a boy thak don ka sha ta wangin chol lak kha katuma ma se hei rin lo devin ka du ai rei dei chol kala atuna hianin ronti tran le katuma chuanin ti tran le dona hian nge ka ronda tur cha po ka shelawa ma se abul tana na ol deuh tur ketia chi te hne na nikum July kha an skydiving ti na kha kada chok ang ti kha ka wazota chuanin chi te in da chok turin a poi lo tin min ron shila chuanin tuna hian chi te chu Africa akal deuh tawang wang ani som pasari khan an jina chuanin akal ma a hi ka biak na tlem karonda tel bok don ni tuna hian akal ma in i FaceTime kan tia FaceTime kha screen recording ka record te ka tia ma se kan play tur kha i atong chau kha alang theita a o kha a sha theita lawa engamo setting a ti tur tam ta kalo oma wangin ka ti boy pe ta lawa chuan tlem nang ma in ron film la chu ka da te lang ka tia chu tu na hianin aman min ron film sakha karon da tel bokanga chuanin toite in ni kuma hi skydiving ati na karon da don ni Kitty like Petra Tuvang Maya. We'll do see neuh. Can say Happy New Year or something?
Goodbye, Mizoram.
Tihan hei tuifin riat panakan kalna kong khani ta ni hei. Kong hi nuam to pa achan chu thing hnuah ni wang hian thing na tla ve hian kong hi ti dup ta ni mo. I lam lian kan ti pa ngai hei alkadra kan ti mo Mizorama kan ti ang chi hi chu achang lu tu pa chu wang chuanin kong kal tam phei jong kal rang na chi ni lo chu wang chuanin lei om na lai hi lei pa ngai ti me ang mo tiang lam lian achanga siam lo na lai hang kan kal lu ram thin ni achan chu kan kal na sa sia han kal na satta ka chuan taksa hian alo ngei lawa kong te na a khup te ana theia chu wang chuan a thei chung chu ti hian hi alkadra pha lawa hian kan kal ram thin ni diak deuh ma se tuna hianin kalan tam khop me ti hianin mi kan tok renga ma se kan to lo lai takin kan film zok ani chol ni nya khwa that boka wangin vot ma se mi hin chuang sa ta no pang nen no ro e chuanin an thu soi tam ber pakhatan slogan ti meng chu khochia a om lo ma se thom ho chia om an ti ni tho at chumi an soi tum na chuan thom ho tha khwa mila khom dan mila thom ho kan hak phot chuan khochia tak tak om thei lo thom ho tha hak mai tur ro sur chuanin ro in min nan tlan thei lo na tur kor khak mai tur ti nang chi ni chumo thli te don chuanin thli dal tur jacket hak tur ti na ni me ang chu smile.
nice.
Ram voto se na kan tilang velo kang atihan ni puilain ramanom zia te kan tilang amase khovo la ya as ve zia kan tilang ve me me atihan wak du ma ilang vuret lak kat china wangin du in po na hana wak theilawa hei hi ram voto se na chan pakhatani ta ni tihanin wak du mai lang i khwa votlata vuret lak na sathina wangin vura kalangai ta ni vurtlak lai tak phei chonin kalngai na hi omlo sim sima ma se tu na hianin kar hi vel vuretlak to lo wangin ti hianin vur he tlem to a vur dup pangai tak ti meang vur tamdeu cha de watla kha ti hianin amuk tel tela ti hianin vuretlak lo re wangin ma se aisa achang ta ni hei anal ta ni mo vodu pangai nal lo khati han nal ta ni chuan ma se pona kal du ka chuan ti han anala han kalangai ta I sakoran kal ti thina wangin le hei I motor tractor te akal thina wangin ti han tractor kal na le I sakor kal na hianin anal lo de wa kan kal sam thina ni hei hi a se omna ni ta ti hianin Vorchunga amol molin kan wak ngat mai ni mo.
Hello! So, me and mom, we filmed this part earlier today, but the sound didn't work, so we're trying one more time, and I'm going to answer the questions she asked me. So first of all, I'm leaving for Madagascar tomorrow, and I'm very excited, but also nervous. I'm packing right now, and it's difficult to decide what clothes to bring, what not to bring, and toiletries and so on. I'm going to be away for 4.5 months, so I'm coming home in the beginning of June, maybe mid-June, because we're planning to go to Tanzania or the south of Africa to go to a safari. And go maybe to Zanzibar, so I'll be home maybe during the mid of June. And I'm going to go to Madagascar with my studies, so I'm living with 3 other friends from my class, and we're going to live together and work at a women's prison and also a place for people with serious mental illnesses and a children's home. So that's going to be really interesting. And hopefully mom, dad and Karen will come down and visit me during Easter break. So I'm very excited and I'm ready to just get on the plane. So now I have to do some more packing and just finish up everything so that I'll be ready for tomorrow. And mom also asked me if she could post the skydiving video, and of course that's fine. And I did the skydiving during this summer with 2 other friends, and it was really fun. It was quite close to Oslo, where I live now and study. And I was hoping to get more of a kick out of the experience. I saw people jumping by themselves, doing tricks, so that would maybe be more fun. But we had to have a person watching over us and jumping with us, since this was our first time. But it was a really nice experience.
She goes. I think about her and she knows it. I wanna let it take control, 'cause every time that she gets closer, She pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. Maybe I should stop and start confessing.
Skal vi teste det da?
Ja.
Hva skal dere?
Hoppe!
Yay.
Salsa. Endelig. Første gang.
Hva fikk dere til å ville hoppe da?
Vi har gledet oss veldig lenge. Vi har tenkt på det lenge egentlig. Litt sånn, bare for adrenalin egentlig.
Ja.
Så liksom bucket list.
Ja.
Vi må gjøre det en gang. Så foreslår plutselig hun det til noen venninner, og så... Jeg trodde ikke du skulle si ja.
Det er bra, dere får kose dere masse.
Ja, takk.
Ka video masa pakhata khan ka sei to a skydiving hi ka ti chak na rei to awangin kumsang ni le som pasari khan ka zuanga chite khan zon vengen charchara ma se kumsom pathum le kalani awangin le kumsom pare ta ya no pangchu nu le pa ming sai nge nga ya apa ve si lo awangin tingai na talawa engpo ni se skydiving ti na mun hi atam lu tuklo boka wangin le ama facebook lo ka ngai boka wangin tuntu ma hian wazong hlotling ve ta shamani kanin an lo lu tuk na chu ke chuan zon ve shim ka duwa ka zwang tur po ka thina phu ve na sa chi te ro chu an zwang zo min ron phone na arin ai de ya anep thu le abe se anga athina phut na sat tok lo zia zon pui tu nei lova ma ne zon ve chak zia ron sei thunga thitur ang khop deuhthaw thin phu dot ve reng cha khialo nia ramdanga chuan ka shelowa norway hian ma ne zong theitura license nei tur chuan course to takkal masaka ngai ba ka atlem bera a endik tu ten dik takinan zuanga an tum bokani ti an pom thlap voisom ni paruk zuan masak alo nga ya chuwangin ma ne zuan lam chu atum tari lawani mel
Tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back, yeah. She says that she's never afraid. Just picture everybody naked. She really doesn't like to wait. Not really into hesitation. She pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. And maybe I should stop and start confessing, yeah. Oh, I've been shaking. I love you when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back, yeah. There's nothing holding me back. Cause if we lost our minds and we took it too far, I know we'll be alright. We will be alright. Cause if you're by my side and we stumbled in the dark, we will be alright. Oh, I've been shaking. I love you when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back.